Today we discuss the next drug under the category drug acting on the nervous system. The example is cannabis. The synonym of cannabis is Indian hemp, ganja, charas, bhang. Biological source: cannabis consists of dried flower top of cultivated species of Cannabis sativa, belongs to family Cannabiaceae. Cannabis are legally cultivated by few licensed growers in Bengal, Mysore and Madras. The different name have different constituent. Like ganja, it consists of the stem, resinous mass and leaves, whereas charas are the crude resin obtained from the crushing of flowering top, whereas bhang is a leaves of male or female plant. It contains less percentage of resin and it have mild narcotic effect. This is called of the bhang. Then chemical constituent of cannabis: 10 to 20% of resin, which contain 1,3,4 trans tetrahydrocannabinol, and seed contain 20% of fixed oil. Then the uses of cannabis are used mostly as a sedative, analgesic and narcotic. It's a hallucinogenic effect also. So this is about the cannabis. The next drug under the category drug acting on the nervous system is ephedra. Synonym: mahung or ephedra stem. Biological source: it consists of the dried young stem of Ephedra nebrodensis, belongs to family Ephedraceae. Geographical source: China, Pakistan and mostly northern part of the India. Collection cultivation: Ephedra is cultivated at the altitude of 2,500 to 3,000 meter by the propagation of seed. Seed are sown in the early spring season in a distance between the 5 centimeter in a two plant and 1 meter between the two row. And after the completion of 4 years of the plant are collected and extract the alkaloid, mostly stem. This is our part of the active ingredient is the stem. Then alkaloid are extracted and ready for the marketing purpose. Then morphological character: ephedra is the gymnospermic plant. It have woody stem and cylindrical with greenish color or grey to greenish color, about 5 millimeter in thickness. It shows internode in a distance of 3 to 3.5 centimeter. It bear the scar for the leaves on the stem and with the terminal bud. Then chemical constituent of ephedra: ephedra contain the amino alkaloid ephedrine, norepinephrine, N-methylephedrine, pseudoephedrine and nor-pseudoephedrine. These are the amino alkaloid type of chemical constituent present in the ephedra, that is ephedrine. Mostly active ingredient is the ephedrine and norepinephrine. Then the identification test of ephedrine is: ephedrine dissolved in the water and hydrochloric acid, then add the copper sulfate solution and sodium hydroxide solution. This shows the violet red color, and then shake with the solvent ether. Then organic layer shows the purple color, whereas aqueous layer shows the blue color. This is the identification test of the ephedrine. Then uses of the ephedrine: ephedra is the sympathomimetic activity, that is which stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, same as the adrenaline. It's also used in the asthma as a bronchodilator. It is also used in the allergic condition like high fever, bronchitis, whooping cough. It also correct the low blood pressure because of its peripheral vasoconstriction activity on the artery. Ephedrine also shows the prolonged action than adrenaline, as it is slowly hydrolyzed by the MAO. दैट इज मोनो अमीनो ऑक्सीडेज एंजाइम। इस एंजाइम से उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस कम होता है, इसके वजह से वो एड्रेनालिन से ज़्यादा प्रोलॉन्ग एक्टिविटी दिखाता है। एंड अनदर एडवांटेज ऑफ इफेड्रिन इज इफेड्रिन कैन बी यूज ओरली एज कंपेयर टू द एड्रेनालिन व्हिच इज यूज बाय द पेरिफेरल, सॉरी, by parental. Adrenaline are used by the parental preparation, whereas ephedrine can be used orally. These are the advantage of ephedrine over the adrenaline. Then allied species of ephedrine: Ephedra intermedia, Ephedra major. These are the allied species of the ephedra. This is about the ephedra. Next drug under the category drug acting on nervous system is the opium. The synonym of opium is the afim. Biological source: it is nothing but the dried milky exudate obtained by the incision on upripe or unripe capsule of the Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum belongs to family Papaveraceae. ऐसा, this is the unorganized crude drug. Opium is the unorganized crude drug. It is the dried milky exudate obtained by the incision on unripe capsule of the Papaver somniferum, belongs to family Papaveraceae. Organoleptic character: opium occur in rounded flatted mass or cake, weight from 300 gram to 500 kg. Externally, opium is the pale grey color with the fragmented of poppy leaves adhere to it. This is the poppy of the opium. It is plastic-like when fresh, but become hard and brittle on keeping. When broken, internal surface is granular and smoothy reddish brown in color. ये यहाँ देख रहे हैं आप, एक कैप्सूल ब्रोक की हुई है. When it is broken, then it shows the internal surface is granular or smoothy with reddish brown in color. It shows the luster. Opium, it is the characteristic odor and bitter in taste. Then collection of opium, it is also comes under the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substance Act. So the cultivation of opium is under the law, with granted the license to the selected farmer in UP, Rajasthan and MP. Opium plant is very delicate. It is grown in winter in the season of November to March. The seeds are sown by broadcast method and the poppy takes next 100 days to flower. The fruit become ready for collection in the middle of February. Depending upon the climatic condition, the unripe capsule are inserted at afternoon with the sharp blade at the distance around 1 millimeter with the use of cotton thread. The incisions are longitudinal from top to the bottom, and the latex come out from this incision are white to pinkish in color. Gradually they solidify and turn to the brownish in color due to the contact of air. Then this latex in the next morning scarf with the help of snoop, and it is kept in the plastic pocket. Then it is mixed with the 2 to 3 times in a day for about 15 days to make uniform product, and then it is submitted to the government agency for distribution purpose. Opium is the highest percent of morphine content and which is decreases on the subsequent lancing, LANCING. Each capsule is launched 3 to 5 times on alternate day till no more latex lose out. उसको इंसर्ट करते हैं एक कैप्सूल को 3 से 5 टाइम, और फर्स्ट टाइम में उससे सबसे ज़्यादा लेटेक्स बाहर आता है, बाद में उसमें लेटेक्स आना थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता है. Then the chemical constituent present in the opium is it contains the 25 different alkaloids which are nothing but the salt of the meconic acid. The important alkaloids are morphine, codeine, narcotine, papaverine, thebaine. Important is morphine, codeine, papaverine, narcotine. These are the important alkaloids present in the opium. Then uses of opium. Opium is CNS depressant. It has hallucinogenic property. It's also used to control the diarrhea. It is also used for the extraction of morphine, codeine, and papaverine for the commercial purpose. This is about the opium under the class drug acting on the nervous system. Today we discuss the next drug under the category drug acting on the nervous system. First example is the dhatura. Synonym of dhatura is the dhatura herb. Biological source, it is the dried flowering top or leaves of dhatura metal, belongs to family Solanaceae. It is the dried leaves or flowering top of dhatura metal, belongs to family Solanaceae. The color of the flower are reddish purple on the outer side, whereas whitish in inner side. The flower are funnel shaped and the stem and the branches are purple in color. The odor of the flower and leaves are characteristic and unpleasant. The taste of leaves are highly bitter in taste. The shape of the leaves are simple, entire, with entire margin and leaf covered with the minute hair, that is called as the trichome. The leaves are unequal at the base. Then the chemical constituent of the dhatura is the tropane type of alkaloid, that is scopolamine, atropine, hyoscyamine. These are the important alkaloid, tropane type of alkaloid present in the dhatura. Then the uses of dhatura, it is used as a in motion sickness, in gastric and duodenal ulcer, as used as a constipation, in diarrhea. Then it is also used as an anticholinergic drug to reduce the secretion of gastric juice, saliva, sweat. These are the different uses of the dhatura leaf. Then the TS of the dhatura leaf shows the lamina and midrib. In the lamina portion, first of all, the leaf of the dhatura is the dorsiventral type of leaf. That is, it contains parasite layer only below the upper epidermis and it is absent above the lower epidermis. It is the parasite layer, that is elongated cell present in the single layer below the upper epidermis. So it is called as the dorsiventral type of leaf. If the parasite layer are present on the both sides, that is below the upper epidermis and above the lower epidermis, then it is called as the isobilateral type of leaf. For example, Sinna. But the dhatura leaf is the dorsiventral type because it contains only the upper parasite layer. So it is called as the dorsiventral type of leaves. In the lamina shows the upper epidermis. Upper epidermis, it is the single layer around 600 to 1000 cell per square mm. It contains the covering type of trichome as well as glandular trichome, unicellular glandular trichome and multicellular covering trichome, along with the cruciferous type of stomata are present on the lower epidermis as well as upper epidermis. Then the parasite layer. Parasite layer is the single layer elongated cell present just below the upper epidermis and it is absent above the lower epidermis. Then mesophyll shows the presence of spongy parenchyma with 6 to 8 layers of spongy cell. It contains the calcium oxalate crystal. This is about the presence of lamina. Then in the midrib shows the epidermal layer. After the epidermal layer, it shows the parenchymatous tissue which contains the calcium oxalate crystal and vascular bundle. Vascular bundle shows the lignified xylem cell and non-lignified phloem cell. After the vascular bundle, it shows the parenchymatous spongy cell. It is also the spongy collenchymatous cell present on the midrib of the dhatura. So it is about the TS of the dhatura. Main is it is the dorsiventral type of leaf. It shows only upper palisade layer and the lower palisade layer are absent, so it is called the dorsiventral type. It shows the calcium oxalate crystal prism type, then covering trichome as well as unicellular glandular trichome and cruciferous type of stomata, and lignified xylem and non-lignified phloem. This is about the TS of the dhatura leaf. Then the next example under the category drug acting on the nervous system is the Nux vomica. The synonym of the Nux vomica is the cow fig, and the biological source is dried ripe seed of Stachnus nux vomica, belongs to family Loganiaceae. It is the dried ripe seed of Stachnus nux vomica, belongs to family Loganiaceae. Organoleptic character, the color are greenish brown in color. Order none. The shape of the seed are disc shape with irregular bend and concave, covered with the silky trichome. It shows the trichome which are silky and lignified. The important characteristic of the Nux vomica seed is it shows the lignified trichome. Then the chemical constituent. It contains the indole type of alkaloid, stachnine, brucine. It also contains pseudostachnine and homicine are the different alkaloid present in the Nux vomica. The important is the indole type of alkaloid, stachnine and brucine. Then the uses of Nux vomica seed, it's a nervine tonic, CNS stimulant and spinal cord stimulant. The brucine is used as a dog poison, whereas the stachnine is slightly lower poison, so it is used as a CVS stimulant, CNS stimulant, nervine tonic and spinal cord stimulant. These are the uses of the Nux vomica seed. Then the TS of the Nux vomica seed shows the two part, that is testa and endosperm. In testa it shows the lignified trichome. It is the special characteristic of the Nux vomica seed, that it shows the lignified trichome. It is the thick wall, blended, twisted, lignified trichome with the length 600 to 1000 micron with diameter 25 micron. After the lignified trichome, it shows the epidermal cell. It is the single layer lignified trichome are start from this epidermal cell. Then there is the collapsed type of parenchyma. It's a two-layer fixed parenchymatous cell. This is about the testa. Then endosperm. Endosperm shows the thick wall parenchymatous cell with plasmodesmata cell. Plasmodesmata cell, it is the fine protoplasmic stand with endospermic cell. This plasmodesmata cell contain Aherian grain. It is about 30 micron in diameter, and oil globule which contain the flix oil. The oil globule as well as Aherian grain contain under the plasmodesmata cell under the endosperm. So this is about the TS of the Nux vomica seed. So this is about the drug acting on the